You are going to want to bookmark this video. This is using ChatGPT inside Google Sheets to help you generate leads for your business. If you don't know how to get up and running, go to my part 1 of this video where I show you how to integrate GPT into Google Docs and Google Sheets. And you're going to want to stay to the end so that you can get the best results. I run a podcast and I'm always looking for new podcast guests to come on the show. So I asked GPT inside of here by doing equals GPT_list. What are some of the top 10 AI books? And it gave me a list. Next, I wanted the books and authors, and I want to have them separated in 2 lists. GPT_table. Give me the top 10 books along with their authors, and it separated it into tables, the book title and the author side by side. Then I asked GPT for the author's website, and I used concat so that I could reference the cell to the left under C4 over here. And if you drag this down right here, like so, it will drag all the cells down, so instead of C14, it'd be C15 all the way down the list. I had GPT write me a short email inviting them on the podcast and referencing one thing from their books and why they would be a good fit to be on the show. Again, I referenced the cell and used that to drag down the cells. Finally, I asked ChatGPT to give me 5 questions to ask them while they're on the podcast. The only thing was the answers were a bit generic, so I needed to have GPT be more creative. And there's a way to do that, and this is the tip around temperature. If you go to the top here, you can see that this says 1. This 1 means that it is being highly creative. If you have this be a 0, it's not going to be creative at all. So it's going to give you the same results over and over and over again. So if you switch this to 1, I now got completely different questions for each of the authors, which now allows me to mix and match my favorite podcast questions for the guests. Follow for part 3 as I go even deeper using GPT inside Google Sheets.